Hey first grade friends again, it is Miss Bonnie. Today our geometry lesson is going to be on curved figures. So figure means shape, curved means not straight. It has a curve to it. So we have 5 main shapes that we're going to talk about today. I'm going to look at each one. I'll pull one out at a time. We're going to slowly look at the shape, look at its form. Then we'll talk about the names. We'll start out with a very easy one that everybody knows. All right, I bet some of those shapes look really familiar to you. Some of you might have even seen those in primary. Some of you might have seen them in the classroom before, or just heard another teacher give this lesson. So we have, our first shape is, everybody knows this one, it's our circle. Circle can be bigger, can be smaller than this, but it is 360 degrees all the way around, and it is all the way around. Now the next 2 shapes I'm going to hold up at the same time. Now at first they kind of look really similar. Think about these with the geometric solids that we had a lesson on, where these are flat, 2D, but the solids are 3D. You can hold them in your hand, they're big. But let's look at the differences. This one is bigger at the bottom, and it's smaller at the top. This one is the same on both sides. If you look really closely. This is called our ellipse. Ellipse. Like the ellipsoid, but this is the 2-dimensional shape of it. It's the ellipse. Now this one is pretty popular too. A lot of friends knew this one when I gave this lesson before. Oval. They're oval. Not an ovoid like our solid, but an oval. Now this is a shape I think that's really cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now, 4 quadrilateral, remember we've learned that before, quad is 4. Also, quadra can equal 4. So this is called our quatrefoil. And here we go, let's look at this one. We have 1, 2, 3 sides. A 3-sided shape is a triangle, but this one is really interesting, look. Is it straight? No. It's curved. So this is a curvilinear, a curved line triangle. So circle, oval, quatrefoil, curvilinear triangle, and ellipse. So think about that. What we just learned. And I'm going to hold them up, and I want you to try it one more time without me, but I'll give you a couple seconds. Ellipse. Circle. quatrefoil. We'll curvilinear triangle. And last but not least, our oval. So, to practice this work, you can make a curved figure book, draw the shapes, write the name. There's posters on our Google Classroom where you, for the resources where you can get that and pull it up to spell them all correctly. You can make a big poster of all the shapes and draw them and color them blue, or if you wanted to color them like real life things, like the oval, you could make into an Easter egg, and the quatrefoil you could make into like a flower with a little stem. Maybe the circle could be part of a wheel on a car, and the curvilinear triangle could be kind of looks like even like a badge on someone's shirt, or it could be like a shield for a knight. And an ellipse could be like a rugby ball even, or a football, and it's not quite as pointy on the edges. But you get to decide how you want to practice this and what sounds like a really fun activity for you. So I can't wait to see some of the ideas that you guys have had and the follow-up work that you turn in. But that concludes our curved figures lesson.